You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. In British English first. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. Got many more videos for you. Anger, that's anger actually. In the UK, anger, anger. Now, in the US, the pronunciation is similar, but the accent is a little bit different. So let's hear how they say it in the United States, US pronunciation, how to pronounce anger, 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 US, or anger, UK. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.